This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Ooh, that air is cold. Hits those teeth and sutures in my mouth. Wow, it's kind of hard. It's about 3, but we have a little wind here, so it's a lot cooler than that. Hey guys, how about if I put some nuts down for you, huh? And let's go. Everybody's very hungry. Everyone knows it's Sunday. This is no joke. They all know it's Sunday. Let's get out with our little nuts here first and put them in. These out right away. And some sunflower seed. Do I see any sparrows here today? No. Don't see any sparrows here today. Let's open this up here. By the way, it's the 26th of November, about 9:30 in the morning, and the gulls were already flying over my house. This is how I knew. Let's get some sunflower seeds out here. These are organic. Believe it or not, the organic were on sale. They're cheaper than the normal ones. So we'll throw these out here. Listen to that. Listen to that. That's there we go. Okay, let's go in the field. I don't know what is it that they don't like. Probably some of the terrible Cleverfit people who hang their music loud and everything else. So, let's get to the field with this. Then we'll go down with the rest. Oh, someone threw orange here. Orange peel is not good. That car there tried to run over the birds. I'll get him when I get up there, when I'm done here. I'll get his license plate. They just can't, some of those people work at Cleverfit, or some of the people who attend Cleverfit, I should say. Doesn't mean they necessarily work there. Are really crass. They hate the birds just as much as hatefully employees and the Migros employees. Yes, they do. Yes, they're all same type of person, aren't they? I guess people in the UFO community and other people who believe in different civilizations on this planet that are not from here believe in this culture called the reptilians, reptos. And they're supposed to be the evil ones. And I have to say, they are like reptilians, aren't they? Okay, honey. Look at our beautiful Seymour. Coming pretty close to that. Put it out here. There we go. And we're going to give out all of our little nuts. We got lots of nuts today. Roast broccoli. I don't know what that's doing here. Get in there. Get in there, Seymour. Get in there and get your eggs. Seymour, what's going on here? What happened to you? Get in there, Seymour. What happened to the eggs? Did you get any, Seymour? Ah, Seymour, I'm going to cook up some extra eggs today for you, for tonight. Well, they just devoured it. Seymour. Oh, Seymour. I'm not sure he got anything. The gulls were just down so quickly. It's hard to compete with them. Even Seymour can't push them out of the way. Poor Seymour's looking there. What is there to eat? Somehow they got all Seymour's eggs. Go ahead, Seymour. Get a little bit there. That's really unfortunate. Like I say, I'll cook up extra eggs this evening. I'll be out much earlier and make sure that Seymour gets it. Okay. I didn't have as much cat food as I normally do. So, put this in here. Put this up here. Don't see any sparrows right now. Okay, let's put this down here first. Got some walnuts. Some walnuts here. Unfortunately, it's a beautiful day. I say unfortunately because the there we go. There's someone taking a picture, and I can guarantee you they're anti-bird. They're anti-bird. What are you gonna do? I really don't care. So, should be used to it after so many years, right? Anyway. Let's see, let's put out some peanuts as well. Even on Sunday, people can't control themselves. Just move on to where you want to go, mister. Okay. Now we have another dog walker. It's just endless. It's just endless. It's very cute. The gulls don't like the peanuts in the shell. They don't want them. But the crows love them. Okay. Is that person gone? Oh. Hopefully. No. Still standing here. Just can't mind his own business. Honey. What is it with these people? Don't they have their own life? What is it with them? Please move on. Okay. Very jittery, aren't they? Very, very nervous, the little birds. Let's throw out the rest of our peanuts. Wow, is it cold. It's more like 0 out here, the wind chill factor. Poor Seymour though. Somehow those gulls were right on the eggs. I put like 9 eggs out there today. This is right there.